Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to go from this hot mess to this hottie using products well under $20. First things first, we're just getting prepped. I'm using this Freeman's charcoal gel mask and then this Hollywood Beauty vitamin E oil, putting that all over my face just to get some hydration back into it. And like always, I already started with my eyebrows. And then I'm going to be prepping my eyes with the NYX Glitter Primer. Just putting that all, oh my god, putting that all over my eyes. And as you see at the bottom of the screen, I will be putting the prices of each product that I use. I'm using this pressed powder by LA Colors. And most of these products you can just go into the drugstore and buy them there. There's only a few things that I did order online, like the BH Cosmetics. That single eyeshadow I just showed you is from Wet n Wild. This is the BH Zodiac palette, and I'm using this first tan color, just putting that all over my crease as a transition shade, because we will be blending out a few other colors later. I'm using this matte terracotta color just to deepen it up a tiny bit and to add color into the eyes. Then going back with the tan and just blending it out. I'm spraying my brush after I had cut my crease with some concealer, and I'm going to be going in with this copper shade, just putting that in the middle of my eyelid and towards the end of that where the cut crease ends. So we're putting it from the middle to that end part, not all the way at the end to the corner, because we will be darkening it up with a different shadow, but we will be keeping that copper shade mostly in the middle. And as you see here, I'm taking this champagne shade and just putting it in the inner corner just to brighten it up and to blend it into the copper shade. All the names and the names of the products that I use will be listed down below. As you see here, I did take a medium brown just to darken up the outer corner, and I took a Wet n Wild eyeliner to line the upper part of my eyelids. I do struggle a little bit with doing cat eye, so I did end up putting a little bit of tape at the very edge so I can get a very straight and crisp line, just the way I like it. Going back to that BH palette, just took the black to mattify the eyeliner a bit. And then I'm taking here a Kiss lash glue. I like it because it has a little application, how easy it is. So I just took it on top of my eyeliner, I lined it, and then I added some copper glitter. This is from NYX. I like the glitter because it adds a little bit more drama without making it super dramatic, since the eyes are looking pretty soft in my opinion. So we're going to our face makeup, and like always, every time I use that primer, it always just squirts out on me in the weirdest way possible. So I'm using this BH foundation. I love it, and I'm mixing it with this City Color Illuminating Cream. Just blending both of that out with a beauty sponge. I did get it on my eyebrow, which sucks for me right after I did my eyebrows, but that's okay because we will be fixing it later. Okay, and here I am just fixing that eyebrow that we messed up. Then I'm using the Wet n Wild contour and highlighting stick. I'm just putting that in all the places that is necessary. And of course, I'm going to be blending it out with my beauty sponge. I feel like using a beauty blender or beauty sponge, whatever you want to call it, definitely gives it a more flawless application. And then I'm using this Coty Airspun loose powder to bake. However, I will be throwing this out soon because Coty is not cruelty free. I'm currently doing a bunch of research on products that are cruelty free or not, so soon I will be making my whole makeup collection completely cruelty-free and vegan. Then I'm using this Wet n Wild Photo Focus pressed powder, just putting that all over my face. And to warm up my face, I'm using this e.l.f. blush and bronzer called St. Lucia. I will also be using the blush in there. Now that we're done with our face, sort of done with our face, I'm going to go back to the eyes. I'm just using the same eyeshadows we use on top to the bottom lash line. I'm taking this Wet n Wild mascara, putting it on my lower lashes. Taking the highlight from the BH Zodiac palette, I will be highlighting the inner corners of my eyelids. Then I'm spritzing my face with the City Color matte setting spray. I'm taking this e.l.f. baked highlighter. It is one of my favorite highlighters ever. It is absolutely stunning and only for $4. Look at how amazing that looks. Then I'm going to be lining my lips with the Milani Nude Lip Liner. This is my favorite lip liner ever. And I didn't know which color to decide on, so I eventually chose the red Soft Matte Liquid Lipstick by NYX in Barcelona. It is super pretty, and that is it. This is probably the look that I should have worn for my prom. A more red, a more bold type of look. Like that would have been super, super cute. But the thing is, I didn't. This is the lip to wear if you were to go to Spain and you try to fall in love with a Barcelona man. You'd be like, who's that? That's you. With your Barcelona lip. Oh yeah. I don't know why this outro is so long. Okay, this is my tiara, this is my look, this is my dress, this is my hair, this is prom. I hope you all have a great time at prom, and I hope you enjoy it and take lots of pictures, because it's always great. Always remember to take pictures by yourself, let me tell you, because you really don't want to look back years later and be like, who are these people in my pictures? So I hope you all liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to comment, rate, share, and subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell, because you won't be notified if I have a new video next. Is it? What is it? What is it?